Hello, welcome to the lecture on Basic Civil Engineering, Module 3, Building Construction and Building Services. In today's lecture, we'll be discussing about building and its type of various buildings. Building construction is an ancient human activity. It began with the purely functional needs for a controlled environment to moderate the effect of climate. Construction schedule shelter were one means by which human beings were able to adapt themselves to a wide variety of climates and become a global species. Here you can see some of the ancient huts prepared by human beings. History of civil construction was begin from the period of primitive humans. From the protection against cold, rain, heat, etc., they made caves as their shelter. But there was not enough cave didn't remain safety for the long, so hut from the straws and leaves evolution goes on. But for better comfort, civil construction got evolved and still evolving. Today we have every comfort and facility, but we have to face the future upcoming challenges as the shortage of land, etc. Now here we have different types of building. We'll be discussing it one by one. Residential building. Residential building is defined as the building which provides more than half of its floor area for dwelling purposes. In other words, residential building provides sleeping accommodation with or without cooking or dining or both facilities. Commercial building. Commercial building are buildings which are used for commercial purposes and including office buildings, warehouse and retail buildings, etc. For example, convenience storage, big box stores, shopping malls, etc. Education building. Education building means a building exclusively used for schools or colleges recognized by the appropriate board or university or any other competent authorities involving assembly for instruction, education or recreation incidental to educational use and including a building for such other uses incidental thereto, such as library, coaching classes, or research institutes. Industrial building. Industrial building means a building or a part thereof wherein products or materials are fabricated, assembled, or processed, such as assembly plant, laboratories, power plant, refineries, gas plants, mills, dairies, and factories. Recreational. Recreational is an activity of leisure being discretionary times. The need to do something for recreational is an essential element of human biology and physiology. Recreational activities are often done for enjoyment, amusement, or pleasant and, and are considered to be a fun. Here you can see some of the recreational available such as parks, garden, playgrounds, etc. Storage. Storage building means a building or a part thereof used primarily for storing or sheltering of goods, merchandise, and includes a building used as a warehouse, cold storage, freight depot, transit shed, storehouse, public garage, hangar, truck terminal, grain elevator, parent and stable. Historical building. Historical building is generally considered to be a building or a structure which has some kind of historic values. People in the present are connected to it via past events in some ways. This value warrants it being afforded consideration in planning decisions that have to be made of concerning it. Here you can see some of the historical buildings such as Taj Mahal in Agra, Sun Temple in Odisha, Hawa Mahal in Jaipur, Victoria Memorial in West Bengal, Amber Palace in Rajasthan, Ran Ki Vav in Patan. Thank you guys. Thank you for listening. Stay tuned with us. Bye bye.